So here's a video on actually question 9 in case 2. Again, this is just an example. These numbers are not from the case, so don't think that these are the correct answers. What question 9 has you do is take the original SML that you found back in question 8 and assume that things are changing. The first one is that the inflation increases. The next is that the market risk premium increases. And then the third one is just that, what would TECO's required return be if its beta was 1 instead of 0.6. So for all of these, I'd like you to find out what TECO's new required rate of return is if inflation increases. Show me the number, calculate it with the CAPM. Show me the TECO's new required return with inflation increasing. And then the second one is show me TECO's new required rate of return if the market risk premium increases. And the third one is show me the TECO's new required rate of return if its beta was 1 instead of 0.6. And then for each of those three different assumptions, I want you to regraph the SML, graph the old SML from question 8, and then graph the new SML based on the new required returns given these betas and the change in the inflation or the change in the market risk premium. So to do this, it's good to set up, put the betas in the X column of the first column and have your base required return that you calculate with the SML from question 8, and then have your new required returns based on the assumptions from question 9. Here I'm doing the market risk premium increases. This is what we did in class. So highlight the three columns. Again, go to Insert, Scatter Graph, and there you have it basically. Then go back and add, right click on the data point, add the trend line. Don't worry about displaying the equation on the chart. And do that for both lines. And basically what you have is, this is the base SML or the old SML from question 8. And this is the new SML in question 9 based on the market risk premium increasing, the risk aversion increasing. And then go back and kind of relabel these, label this market risk premium increases, SML with market risk premium increasing, and do like I did in the other video and label your x-axis and your y-axis to kind of pretty it up a little bit. Hope that helps.